Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Abacha African salad, which is a staple street food in Nigeria that originates from the Igbo tribe in the eastern part of the country. So can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. So I'll be burning some calabash nutmegs, also known as Ehuru, to release the essence. Now in a bowl, add your dried cassava, pour in some hot water, cover and allow to soak it up until it's soft and tender. Now here I have some potash, also known as native salt or Kaun, and I'll be dissolving it in some water. This is key in this dish. So I'll be adding some palm oil. This palm oil is literally so delicious, like you can only just put some salt and have it with yam and it's like amazing. So I'll be whisking in some of the dissolved potash into the palm oil, which will turn it into an orangey kind of color. Now it could be thick, it could be watery, depending on you and how you like your abacha. I like mine to be thick, so I'll be adding that bit by bit and whisking all that up. Now look at how gorgeous it is. Now it's time to add our blended Ehuru that we burnt earlier, some crayfish, some fish powder, which is optional but I like it, a bit of salt, some bouillon cubes, also optional, a bit of dry pepper. You want that heat in it, so you stir that up and your paste is ready. Now pour your soaked cassava into a bowl. So you're going to stack it. Add your this is uba. Now add your onions and your pepper. You can add more, but I'm not really much of an onions fan like that, so you'll be adding your utazi leaves. And now it's time to add our star ingredients, which is the sauce that we made earlier. And then you mix that up, guys, like mix until every strand of the cassava is incorporated like this. And fam, this is ready. Can you see how easy it is? Which is why I wonder why most street sellers get it wrong. But then, guys, so thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, bye.